Sunflowers are beautiful. That's the biggest thing about them. You've seen the giant heads that people plant in their gardens. I'd encourage you to do that because that brings in pollinators. And we need as much good environment for pollinators as we can get because we're running short there. Birds love the sunflowers, but you got to watch the squirrels. They go after them. They go after that seed faster than the birds do. Well, normally, the first year we raise sunflowers, we don't fertilize them because that long taproot goes beyond the depth of corn and soybeans and actually strips that nitrogen and other nutrients that are out of reach. It keeps them from going into the underground water too. After that first year, then we usually give 70 to 100 pounds of nitrogen, and we use the regular starter fertilizer that we use on our corn and our soybeans because we are yield minded. Food-wise, sunflower oil, if you look at the amino acid profile, it is one of the, if not the healthiest oil for our body.